It's early morning on the third day. I'm getting ready to change their water and feed out. Got a red bulb in it right now, and I'm going to change it over to a clear bulb in just a bit. But I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then we're going to lower the camera down to get a better angle. As you can see, I've switched over to the clear bulb and changed out their water and cleaned out the shavings out of their feed. So I want to say a little bit about why I think Dominickers are the best breed of chicken. First, they're the original American chicken. They've been around since the mid-1700s, and that makes them a heritage breed. For the most part, they're gentle and they seem to be good around children and strangers. They make very good mothers, they're excellent foragers, and they even make a halfway decent roaster for the table. Even their coloration makes them harder for birds of prey to focus in on them as they forage, sort of like natural camouflage. I think it's similar to how zebra stripes work. They're currently on the Livestock Conservancy's watch list. They're making a slow comeback, but they need more help. I'll put a link to the Livestock Conservancy's website in the description box. I urge you to check them out and get involved with the older heritage breeds of livestock. I think it's important for those of us living now to preserve our past for future generations. Now, as time goes on, I'll make update videos of these chicks, so if you think you might want to see any future videos I do, I'd appreciate it if you would click on the like button and subscribe to my channel so I can get a broader audience. And with that, I'm going to be quiet now and let you watch the chicks for a bit. Thanks.